So I wanted to make a 2D shape for my project I'm working on, and in this kind of shape, put 2D atmosphere to make, because I don't have a real, let's say, physical models there. So it's like symbol of cafe, restaurant, playground, or something like this. There is no models of children there. There is no any kind of real activities there. So it's just like, toy thing. And I want to give it more, a little bit of response. And so in some of these zones, actually, it's kind of weird shapes, like a construction site, for example. So it's like fence around it. And that's why I need a weird shape to use snapshots from FMOD and give it this kind of shape. It's 2D atmosphere. Okay, so what I came up about this kind of weird shapes, there is no normal way of doing this kind of thing. So I just took a Pro Builder, and you see there's two kind of shapes here. It's actually the same shape, but one of them, this one at left, it's trigger, and this right one, this is collider. What's different between them? That collider, trigger, it's actually simple, has a simplified form. So if we go to this thing, you can notice that trigger will trigger in empty space. So like now. So see, it's like not at the edge of the wall actually. So we have nothing here. And collider one, we can get to wall, and just when we pass it, it's triggered. And you see this is kind of weird shape. How it can be done? Okay, so we making a new shape. Let's do this very simple shape. Just rectangle. Okay, and we have this kind of set collider. Yeah. So we're setting collider, and what we have to do now, I just take out this, check out this manage visibility so we can see it in the game. And what we do next, we have a separate layer for sound collision, and we should have in project settings, in physics, sound collision can interact only with sound collision. So it's kind of and what I have also on my player character, I have an empty object with rigid body and box collider, which is trigger, and also with a layer of sound collision. And then I hope that's it. We can do the thing. No? Okay. Sorry, I just forgot. So script. I just forgot to put the script on this we can actually see that it's triggering. Okay, let's start again. So now we have it. Let's see. Yeah, so we have on trigger exit and on trigger enter. We actually have a state too. So what we can do is this kind of thing. So if we can subdivide faces of this and just make it like this, for example. and this one will extrude too. So it's kind of, it will be a really weird shape. Okay, so can we do it now? Yes, we can. And if we will go for trigger, so you see the collider simplified and we can get this kind of thing. I hope that will help you if you're looking for something like this. Thank you very much. Bye.